Welcome to part 7 on the Cutlass project. Tonight, it's all about having fun and making cool noises. So here's the issue. I've got a convertible. It's a little ratty, but the interior is actually not bad. I don't want to butcher it. I don't want to cut holes in the doors or the side panel. There is no package tray. It's a convertible. The one speaker that's in there is in the dash. It's inaccessible and small. So what do? Kick panel speakers. So that's what we're up to tonight. We're going to get these kick panels changed out, get these speakers wired up, and I'll show you my really awesome vintage radio that I've got in this thing. All right, let's get that factory kick panel out of there. So you can see I already removed the door sill plate, and I gave a not so subtle tug on the old kick panel there, and she didn't come off. She's pretty firmly attached. So hopefully this is good enough lighting. Man, it's hard to see the camera down here. Just a bulb. This is the grate over here. Wow, is that hard to see? All right, so I looked it up online, and what they're saying is I got to get this grate off, and there's some screws underneath there. So I'm going to do that. Man, that's dark down there. All right, I'm not sure it'll be very entertaining, but let's give it a try. So supposedly there's some tabs. You just push in. Oh, that's not what I was thinking. There we go. All right, so there's a screw here, basically out. Another one here. That one's gone, that one's gone. All right, so I'll get a little quarter-inch driver device there, and we'll get those screws out. Man, I'm going to take this bulb out. Does that help? Wow, not sure you're going to be able to see anything on this video. It is just a black hole in here. But I am taking out the two screws that I see that hold the kick panel on. And I guess I got to get that cable off of there. We'll get that off in a second. Doesn't look like it's going to give me any difficulties. All right. Get that one cable off. Now, supposedly there's some glue, and out she comes, maybe? There's the fresh air door. That off up there. Oh, that fresh air door is deep. That's what's going on. I'll just smash the camera into my face and it'll come right out. Except for that other cable. Damn it. All right, I got the kick panel out, so I'll show you what I know now. So, here's the original kick panel. You don't need to take this cable off. That's all internal. This cable back here has a little clamp, a little hook thing you unhook, and then you can just kind of weasel it out. The new one has got a speaker. Flip it over. It's got this duct. You can actually shut that door on and off. So the one feature that's missing is this upper cable that runs a fresh air door up in the dash. It's a convertible. I like fresh air. I wouldn't have a convertible, so I'm just going to duct tape that door open and we'll call her good. Well, I don't think filming the passenger side worked worth a crap. So we'll see if we can film the driver's side. Get my camera situated. And let's see what happens there. Throw a little light in there. Some tools. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do over here, I've got it pointed nice down there, but I'm going to get this A-pillar cover off. Screw, and a screw. No big deal. There's a camera up for that. Not really very exciting, but we'll do it. So last time I was able to get the old one out without removing the A-pillar cover, but there was no way the new one was going back in. So we'll just start right here. All right, that's easy. All right, door sill plates next. Farley wants to help with that. There, she's helping. She is supervising. That's my supervisor, Farley. All right, I'm gonna get the sill plate off, and then I'll bring it back. There we go. Not even sure there was a clamp. All right, that's a huge victory. The driver's side kick panel is not easy. I think the new one will go in easier. It's not as deep as this. We'll find out right now. I got a stereo. There she is. She works. Sorry it's a commercial, but you know how YouTube is about music. So let's see what happens with an 8-track.
Twin Cities, now celebrating their 54th anniversary with a sale.
Well, I didn't dare do that 8-track for too long, but there was definitely some sort of music coming out of it for a moment. Nothing very distinctive, certainly nothing you could tell what it was for copyright. Anyways, that's a wrap on part 7. Quick little project tonight, but it makes me really happy to have this really vintage underdash stereo in my vintage car. Now I have a little bit of tunes when I'm cruising around, and I don't have to recharge my Bluetooth every day. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment, and we'll see you at the car shows.
Bree has an A+ rating from the BBB, is in network for most preferred one members.